Now today let's start with chapter number 7, our occupation. So in this chapter we will study about occupation. Different people do different work to earn livelihood. So what we call it occupation. So all people do some kind of work. Some people work in the field to grow crops. Some looks after the cattle, while other make furniture, stitches clothes, or make some article. So all these people do same kind of work to earn money. And work done by the people to earn money is called occupation. So occupation can be divided into three categories: primary, secondary and tertiary. So farming, forestry, fishing, mining. ये कौन सी activity आपकी primary? Then they are involved production of raw material directly. इसमें क्या होता है? Raw material का production होता है. Then we have farming. Most of the people in our country live in villages. Farming is the main occupation. Farming needs level land with fertile soil and enough water. In the northern plain of India and many other parts, the soil is rich and fertile. Water for irrigation of the field is available either from rivers and is taken out from the west. A large variety of crops. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? बहुत ज़्यादा variety of crops grow कर जाते हैं country में, which include food grains, vegetable, fruits, oil seeds, sugarcane, cotton, groundnuts and spices. Right? Then we have cattle rearing. So some of the farmers, they also keep cattle like cows, buffaloes and goats, and they provide milk, and this is called dairy farming. Oxen are used for tilling the land. At some places, tractors are used instead of oxen. If we talk about hilly areas, sheep are reared for the wool, and some people have developed poultry farm from where we get eggs and chickens to eat. Now secondary occupation involves changing of raw. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं? Raw material को useful goods में change करते हैं. There are many industries which depend upon the products of farming. Textile mill produce cloth for cotton. The jute mills is some bags बनाते हैं, ropes बनाते हैं, and the bags are used for packing cement, sugar, food. Sugarcane is crushed to make sugar and jaggery. Right? Oil किससे निकलता है? Groundnuts से, mustard and many other types of seeds. Then we have forestry. Some part of our country have thick forest or tall trees. These are very common on slopes of hill. Many people work in the forest. They cut the trees. वो trees को काटते हैं, and the wood of the trees is valuable. ठीक है, ये doors बनाने के लिए, windows बनाने के लिए इनका use करा जाता है, and for making furniture also, right? So some of the people collect latex of rubber tree, जिससे वो क्या बनाते हैं? रबर बनाते हैं. Gums and herbs are collected and sold in the market. Then we have fishing. Our country has very long coastline. Our sea is full of many kinds of fish. People living near the sea coast, जो लोग sea coast के पास रहते हैं, वो fish को catch करते हैं, and afterward they have big boats and nest for this purpose, and fishing is their main occupation. Right? There are many big and small factories where fish is processed and packed in tins. These are sold in different parts of the country. Some tinned fish is also exported to other countries of the world, and some type of fish are processed to produce oil. Then we have mining. Our country is very rich in mineral. Large deposit of coal, iron, mica, limestone and other minerals are found. Many people work in mines. What they do? Metal ores are processed in back factories. A large variety of articles, big and smalls, they are made from the metal. Car, bicycle, tractors, airplanes, railway engines, swing machine and tools are much such products. There are many other occupations which help the people to earn the money. देखो बहुत different occupation जिसको आप करके money earn कर सकते हो. Distribution of finished goods of the people, इसको हम tertiary occupation कहते हैं. Like railways, roadways, airways, postal service, they are involved in the tertiary occupation. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.